Sup guys, it's Mike Einstein, and today we're going to talk about what Google is doing with their new product, and that's called Google Duplex. If you don't know what that is, well, it's this new technology that's built into the Google Assistant that makes it capable of imitating human speech patterns and actually engaging in a real-life conversation with a person over the phone. Like, what? But if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, here's a conversation between a Google Assistant with this technology built in and an actual person.
So how can I help you? Hi, I'm calling to book a woman's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd. Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around? At 12 p.m. We do not have a 12 p.m. available. The closest we have to that is a 1:15. Do you have anything between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.? Depending on what service she would like. What service is she looking for? Just a woman's haircut for now. Okay, we have a 10 o'clock. 10 a.m. is fine. Okay, what's her first name? The first name is Lisa. Okay, perfect. So I will see Lisa at 10 o'clock on May 3rd. Okay, great. Thanks. Great. Have a great day. Bye.
Like, whoa, okay. Look, I know this looks so dope and awesome, the way it works, the way it can respond that well, and the way it can actually understand what's being said to it over the phone. But I don't know if I should be impressed or worried. Like, what else can it do? If it can call people to book an appointment or make a reservation for you, like, what stops it from making calls to your friends and family and just telling them stuff while sounding so much like you? It's so creepy. Okay, I know it's not gonna call anyone if you don't ask it to do that. It's gonna need your permission to do that. But seriously, a lot could go wrong with this technology. We know Google Assistant is capable of sending text messages to your friends or your family when you can't do that yourself. But what if you're on your way to work, you're late, and you just say something like, "Hey Google, tell Sam I can't make it to lunch today." And then something like this happens.
Yo, bro, what's up, man? Gonna make it to lunch today?
Hey Sam, I'm sorry I can't make it to lunch today. Maybe
Nah,
tomorrow?
that's okay, bro. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
thanks man.
Yo, bro, listen, yeah, there's something I've been meaning to tell you. Look, I kind of need to borrow some cash from you right now. I need like 10 grand, you know? Yeah, I kind of want to pay my rent, and I'm kind of low on cash right now, so just 10 grand, okay? Yeah.
Okay, I'll just connect Michael's bank account and send you the cash right away.
Yeah, you the man. Yeah, but hold on, bro. I thought you were Michael.
No, Michael left for work 5 minutes ago. I'm his Google Assistant.
It's Google Assistant? Okay, yeah. How about we make it 20 grand? Yeah.
Holy sh! I don't know what Google is thinking with this kind of technology, but I am never letting a robot make calls for me. I got a mouth too, I can make my own goddamn calls. Just kidding. But look guys, at the end of the day, Google Duplex is an amazing concept. Look, I have to say it, it's impressive, it's amazing, the way it works, the way it can recognize human speech and actually imitate it that well. It's really mind-blowing, but I just don't see myself using this like ever. It's just way too creepy. But let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. I'd love to know what you guys think about this. Would you ever use Google Assistant to make calls? Would you ever ask it to do that for you? Let me know in the comments. Maybe leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe if you're new to this channel, and I will catch you guys at the next video. Peace.